How to check WhatsApp photos on iPhone. On the iPhone home screen, locate WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp icon to open it. The app opens on the Chats tab showing your conversations. Find the chat where photos were sent and tap on that conversation. Inside the chat, tap on the contact or group name at the top to open the info page. On the info screen, tap on Media, Links and Docs. The Media section shows a grid of thumbnails from this chat, including photos. Scroll through the grid to review the photos that have been shared. Tap on a photo thumbnail to open it in full screen. Swipe left or right to move through the other photos in the chat. If needed, scroll further to check older photos within this chat. Repeat these steps in another conversation if you want to check photos there as well. Following these steps, you can easily check WhatsApp photos on iPhone.